it's not just M23 anymore. That AFC M23 means broadened group. I have seen also that even the former president of Congo, Kabila, is now part of or associated in one form or another. I would be happy to ensure that those who want to come and be part of the Eastern Congo that belong there or belong to Congo and want to be part of the struggle to get a stable Congo, I would welcome them. It doesn't have to be Kabila, but we're talking about Kabila. How does this person say he wants to confront this situation in his country and I refuse him passage?